and welcome. Today I have a little bit of a different project I'm not going to focus on an end result. What I'm going to do is focus on the process. So I went to Sketchfab and saw this article that looked like it would be kind of fun to play with. Okay, this particular article is free. You will need to create a login ID on Sketchfab, but it is free to download this thing. So I took and clicked on the download button, choose this format here, GLTF, whatever that guy is. Go over to Blender. Let's delete this thing. We don't want that cube. And do a file import. That guy there. There's our file. Let's see what we get here. I'm going to unselect everything and do look at the materials. Did we get materials with it? Yes, we did. Awesome. I discovered that it's parented to an empty. Don't need no stinking empty. So pick the water tower, do an Alt-P, and clear the empty transform and delete the empty. We don't need it. All right, now it's going to do a 1 to get that view, the front view, and do a GX. Put it in the center. Come on, GX. Right there. So that lines up with that center axis. 3 on the keyboard, GY. Got it. Control A, all transforms, and it even moved the origin point to our 3D cursor. Awesome. Control Shift S, save it. Okay, so we have basically an unmodified. First thing I like to do when I download one of these models is to go into edit mode with everything selected. Do that again just to make sure we got everything selected. M on the keyboard, delete by distance. Now here at the bottom, we deleted 12,000 plus vertices. Okay. Now let's see what kind of fun we have with this thing. I'm going to pick some of these corners and see what it looks like. Oh, we got clipping. Turn the clipping off. And on the keyboard, go to View. 0.001. Okay. Oh, we have a hole there that needs to be fixed. So how do you fix that? Well, you look at this thing. I'm assuming it would probably make most sense if this was in real life. It would be this girder would be run over to there, and then it would run over there. So that would be how I'd fix that. Take some fiddling around to do that. And as I discovered, the other corners are the same thing. Yeah, same thing. Okay, what about some of the other joiners here? Let's go pick where these main girders join together. You see some flickering when I move the view around. That's always indication of a problem with faces overlapping. And yep, there we go. The faces are severely overlapped. So probably one of the things we might want to do here is to use the knife tool, do a left click, go over here to the corner, left click, enter, put a cut in there. And we missed that thing a little bit, but that's okay. We can do a GG. And okay, so we put a cut there at those corners, and then to do the same thing on the other side. Yep, there's no vertice there. There's nothing there. Okay, let's look at another area here and see what kind of issues we're going to have. Go up to the top of this thing. I'm going to pick arbitrarily pick that one and do a control plus a whole bunch of times to select everything in this object. Hide. Let's do a, how about this? We do a edge select. Nope, can't. Didn't like that. Control plus everything. Hide. Yeah, there we go. Another mess. Bad join. Okay, so see what you got. If we have a lot of issues that could use some cleaning up, and the amount of work you'd spend cleaning up, it's kind of up to you. You want to be a perfectionist or not on how to clean some of these issues up. But in the process of doing that, you're going to learn a lot, and it's going to, it's basically a lot of practice for your Blender skills. Like here's another issue here. The join, those two pipes are not joined. I did some videos recently on how to show you how to join some of those pipes. Anyhow, so again, this is not a project for something that you're going to want to download into or upload to Second Life, because what is it? There are 10,000 some odd vertices. I don't quite understand why there are more edges than vertices, but it says they are. So it's too big. It will be a little bit too expensive to upload into Second Life, but maybe if you could go try it, I don't know. So that's what I got for you this time. Download this guy, start working on it, honing your 3D modeling skills and your practice to learn how to fix these things, to fix those joints and things. And then learn to use the knife tool and merge tool and several others to get all this done. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you have fun with this thing. I had fun playing with these guys. We'll catch you next time. Bye.